It took two geniuses 379 pages to prove that 1 plus 1 equals 2. That's not a joke. That's a Tuesday for a mathematician. The book is called Principia Mathematica, 1910. Whitehead and Russell. Their goal? Prove all of mathematics from absolutely nothing. And they meant nothing. No numbers. No addition. No equals sign. You can't add 1 and 1 if you haven't defined 1. Or add. Or 1. So they started from scratch. Watch the page counter. Step 1. Define logic. And, or, not, implies. Riveting stuff. Step 2. Define sets. What does it mean for something to be in a group? Step 3. Define classes. Because sets weren't abstract enough, apparently. Now the page count is climbing. The stack is getting tall. Step 40-something. Define what it means for a class to have one thing in it. Then define 2 as the class of all classes with exactly 2 members. Read that again. 2 is a collection of collections, obviously. Then, finally, define addition as an operation on these things. The stack is now taller than the authors. And on page 379, we arrive. Theorem star 54.43. The notation looks like a keyboard exploded. Dense, alien symbols. And right underneath it, Russell wrote a little note. The note says, from this proposition it will follow, when arithmetical addition has been defined, that 1 plus 1 equals 2. It will follow, when addition has been defined. They hadn't defined addition yet. On page 379. They spent 379 pages building a ladder. And at the top, they wrote, you may now climb this ladder. The actual proof shows up later, in volume 2. 3 volumes total. Nearly 2,000 pages. To make math unshakable. A perfect foundation. Bulletproof. Complete. Then, 1931. A twist that no one saw coming. A 25-year-old named Kurt Gödel published a proof of his own. He proved that any system big enough to do arithmetic has a fatal flaw. It can be consistent, or it can be complete. Never both. There will always be true statements it can never prove. Translation: a perfect foundation for math is impossible. Mathematically impossible. Whitehead and Russell spent 21 years building a cathedral of logic. Gödel walked in and proved no such cathedral can ever be finished. The whole stack cracks. 2,000 pages. Undone by a kid. Math doesn't care about your feelings, or your page count. So the next time someone asks what 1 plus 1 is, you can say 2. Or you can hand them volume 1 and say page 379. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to Improper Integral for more visual math, where the obvious is never as simple as it looks.